You need a badass outdoor light, hunting, camping, fishing, work. I don't care what you need it for. This is the light. I've had all the lights sent to me. I've tried them all. This is absolutely the best one. I own one of them cheap ass Husky lights from Home Depot. They are not this light. Too much plastic and they don't last. Man, the lenses on this light, you can rotate them anywhere. It is super freaking bright. It's got 3 light levels. On bright, each lens is 2,500 lumens. You get 7,500 total lumens on this light. The other ones aren't even close. It extends to almost 6 feet. 20 hours on one charge on low. The others are not even close, not even half the time. You don't need the base, take it off the base. A hook on the bottom for hanging it from limbs, branches, your tent, wherever you need it. The base is also magnetic. You need an overhead work light? Just like that. Look, I don't care what light you've bought, I don't care what light you're gonna come on this page and talk about. They're not the same light. This is a badass light. The only plastic on this light is the lenses, but it is super durable. The stand is durable, the legs are durable, all metal. It's so badass for fishing because they will light up your area and they will do it all night long. I'm telling you right now, you want a badass light that'll be the last one you buy, this is it. I need to check these out right down there in that link below.